Alright, this is my third video for today. Anybody want to go swimming at Lake Tiki? Here's my house, and there's my creek. Look at this. Look at this crap. I'm going to need this thing in a second. Look at this. Freaking unbelievable. The rain has not stopped all day. It is freaking pouring. Look at my picnic tables. My chairs and my fire pit are going to be gone. Well, look at my firewood. Wow. I'm surprised these roofs are still here. I'm surprised my shop's still there. Look at this. This is unbelievable. The water is literally 10 feet from my house. Look at this. Alright, well, my phone's getting drenched. I'm soaking wet now. But I had to post this. Hopefully the rain stops soon. Oh, and I've been told I moved the camera around too much. So I'm going to go real slow. Real slow. Maybe my phone will fizzle out because it's getting soaking wet. Oh my gosh, you can hear how hard it's raining. Alright, Tiki Kev out.